1 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Just adding 3, you can find out the multiplication table of 3. 3 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 1 is less than 3. 0 times 3, 0 times 3, that gives us 0. Subtract 1. To continue this process, convert this whole number into decimal number. Taking decimal, then add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 4, that gives you 12, which is greater than 10, so you need to stop here. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3, 3 times 3, that gives you 9. Subtract 1, bring down this next 0. Now 3 goes into 10 again 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1, bring down this digit. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Okay, so if you subtract, you are getting 1. You can take any number of zeros and bring down that 0. Since we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, we can place here 3 dot. So our answer is 0.333 dot dot dot, or you can place a bar over 3. Bar means this 3 is repeating. 0.03 bar is our answer.